The modern world thrives on information. We are bombarded with data, deadlines, and distractions. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. How can we navigate this complexity and achieve our goals? One answer lies in a simple yet powerful technique, the Lotus Method. This method offers a structured approach to brainstorming and problem-solving. It helps to organize thoughts and generate creative solutions. Imagine a clear path through the mental clutter, leading to clarity and accomplishment. That's the promise of the Lotus Method. Let's delve into its simplicity and power. The Lotus Method, at its core, is a visual thinking tool. It utilizes a simple grid system to stimulate ideas and break down complex tasks into manageable chunks. Picture a lotus flower with 8 petals surrounding a central core. This visual serves as the foundation of the method. The central core represents your main problem or objective. Each petal provides a dedicated space to explore different aspects or solutions related to the central theme. This structured approach helps to overcome mental blocks and encourages a free flow of ideas. It allows you to explore various facets of a problem systematically, leading to well-rounded solutions. The Lotus Method, also known as the Lotus Blossom Technique, was developed by Yasuo Matsumura, a Japanese business consultant. Intrigued by the challenge of enhancing creativity and problem-solving in corporate settings, Matsumura sought a structured yet flexible approach. He drew inspiration from the lotus flower, a symbol of purity and structured expansion in many cultures. The result was the Lotus Method, a deceptively simple tool that empowers individuals and teams to unlock their creative potential. Since its inception, the Lotus Method has transcended its corporate origins. It is now embraced by individuals across various fields, from students tackling complex assignments to artists seeking creative breakthroughs. The effectiveness of the Lotus Method can be attributed to its clever utilization of established cognitive principles. One key principle is chunking, which involves breaking down large amounts of information into smaller, more manageable units. This reduces cognitive overload and enhances information processing. The method also leverages the power of visual thinking. By externalizing thoughts onto a tangible diagram, we engage different areas of the brain, fostering deeper understanding and encouraging novel connections. Furthermore, the structured layout of the Lotus Method provides a sense of order and control, reducing feelings of overwhelm often associated with complex tasks. This, in turn, creates a conducive environment for focused thinking and creative exploration. Section 5. Conquering Writer's Block, a Lotus Method Case Study. Writer's block, a dreaded experience for many, exemplifies the power of the Lotus Method. This method is a structured brainstorming technique that helps break down complex problems into manageable parts. Imagine a novelist struggling to develop a compelling plot for their next thriller. The blank page can be intimidating, and the pressure to create something unique can be overwhelming. Using the Lotus Method, the writer places the problem, develop a captivating plot in the central core. This central focus helps in organizing thoughts and ideas systematically. Each petal then represents a key element: characters, setting, conflict, twists, climax, resolution, theme, and pacing. These elements are crucial in building a well-rounded story. The writer then brainstorms ideas related to each element within its dedicated petal. This method encourages a free flow of ideas without the pressure of immediate perfection. For instance, the characters petal might contain ideas for a cunning detective, a mysterious femme fatale, and a shadowy antagonist. Each character adds depth and intrigue to the story. By systematically exploring each element, the writer unlocks a treasure trove of interconnected ideas, paving the way for a gripping narrative. This method not only helps in overcoming writer's block, but also enhances creativity and productivity. Section 6. Lotus in Action. From project management to problem solving. The application of the Lotus Method extends far beyond creative writing. Its versatility shines in diverse areas such as project management, breaking down a large project into smaller, manageable tasks, assigning responsibilities, and tracking progress. Strategic planning, analyzing market trends, identifying opportunities and threats, and formulating effective business strategies. Problem solving, identifying the root cause of an issue, exploring potential solutions, and evaluating their feasibility. Decision making, weighing the pros and cons of different options in a structured manner to arrive at informed decisions. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, artist, or simply someone seeking a better way to organize your thoughts and tackle challenges, the Lotus Method offers a powerful tool set. Section 7. Implementing the Lotus Method, a step-by-step guide. Ready to experience the transformative power of the Lotus Method? This method is designed to help you break down complex problems into manageable parts, making it easier to find innovative solutions. Follow these simple steps. 1. Define your objective. Start by identifying what you want to achieve. Clearly articulate the problem you want to solve or the goal you wish to achieve. This clarity will guide your entire process. Write it down in the central core of your Lotus diagram. 2. Identify key areas. These are the main aspects or subtopics related to your central theme. Determine the main aspects or subtopics related to your central theme. Think broadly and consider all relevant areas. Assign each to a petal surrounding the core. 3. Brainstorm freely. This is where creativity comes into play. Within each petal, generate as many ideas as possible related to its assigned aspect. The more ideas, the better. Don't censor yourself. Let the ideas flow freely. 4. Connect and refine. Look for patterns and relationships between ideas. Explore connections between ideas in different petals. This cross-pollination often leads to innovative solutions and unexpected insights. 5. Prioritize and act. Review the generated ideas and prioritize them based on their relevance and feasibility. Focus on what will have the most impact. Develop an action plan to implement the chosen solutions. Break down the steps and assign tasks if working in a team. Remember, the Lotus Method is a flexible tool. It can be adapted to suit different types of projects and working styles. Adapt it to suit your needs and working style. With the Lotus Method, you can tackle any challenge with confidence and creativity. Section 8. Mastering the Method Tips for Success. Here are some additional tips to maximize your success with the Lotus Method. Embrace visual aids. Visual aids are powerful tools that can help you organize your thoughts and ideas more effectively. Use colors, images, and diagrams to enhance your Lotus diagram and stimulate creative thinking. The use of different colors can help differentiate between various ideas and concepts, making your diagram more engaging and easier to understand. Collaborate and share. Engage in group brainstorming sessions using the Lotus Method to leverage collective intelligence. Working with others can provide new perspectives and insights that you might not have considered on your own. Practice regularly. The more you use the Lotus Method, the more intuitive and effective it becomes in unlocking your creative potential. Regular practice helps you become more comfortable with the method, allowing you to use it more efficiently over time. Don't be afraid to iterate. Iteration is key to refining your ideas and improving your diagrams. Revisit and revise your Lotus diagram as needed. As you gain new insights or information, updating your diagram ensures it remains relevant and useful. The beauty of the method lies in its iterative and flexible nature. Celebrate progress. Recognize the small victories along the way. Acknowledge and celebrate the insights and solutions generated through the Lotus Method. Celebrating these moments can boost morale and encourage continued use of the method. This reinforces its effectiveness and motivates continued use. By recognizing the value and success of the Lotus Method, you are more likely to keep using it and refining your skills. Section 9. Conclusion: bloom where you are planted. In our fast-paced, information-saturated world, the ability to focus, think clearly, and generate creative solutions is paramount. The Lotus Method provides a simple yet powerful framework to navigate complexity and achieve clarity. Like the lotus flower that blooms beautifully amidst murky waters, the Lotus Method empowers us to blossom even in the face of challenges. By embracing its structured yet flexible approach, we can unlock our creative potential, overcome obstacles, and achieve our goals with greater ease and effectiveness. So, embrace the Lotus Method and let your ideas bloom.